2. Number 1 just rolled out. Big shout out to Superior Steering Wheels for making these X Racer wheels. It gives me a little bit more hand movement room, and yeah, those guys are out of Iowa, and yeah, tell them T-Mez sent you. God damn it! You okay, buddy? Are you hurting anywhere? So far I'm talking to you. I think I'm okay. Okay. All right, yep. The faster the better. All right.
Yep. What track you at, bub? Okay. What day of the week is it? I just need to answer my questions. You answer them, I'll let you go. I understand you're pissed, but I'm trying to make sure you're okay.
I'd be fucking laying upside down going,
Yeah.
I wasn't okay.
Okay.
Standing here, I'm talking to you guys. I seem pretty fucking alert, don't I?
You're good.
Thank you.
Well, that's never a good night. Man, I had really high hopes on tonight, but it looks like we're done for the night. Oh, what a bummer. I guess I'm feeling all right. When I got out of the car, I was a little dizzy, and if I look up, I get a little dizzy. So went ahead and just take the night off. There's no need to bang my head twice in one night. Man, that was so unfortunate. Man, the 7X was ripping, and man, we freed the car up like exceptionally from last night. That was probably the wrong word, but we freed the car up a ton, like different wheel offset, more air, lowered the nose, more gear. We did all these things to free the thing up, and you have to flat foot it when you qualify, and I did, and it bit me. The boys got it back together. There's a couple things. It bent that, which is bad because that's the Jacob's ladder. And the way this panel is kind of inside, it just seems like the left front is kind of bent over, or the right front is kind of bent over. So yeah, the boys got it all back together, but I'm not gonna hop back in it tonight. It's a tough way to start the season. We're points racing, and you know, not a good night for points. But hey, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go watch some races.